Welcome, seeker of the eternal flame, to the hidden sanctuary where ancient wisdom is remembered. Before the world stirs, before the noise of the day begins, we gather in the first golden breath of dawn to perform a morning ritual of awakening, discipline, and sovereign power. I am Dark Thoth, and for 10 sacred minutes, we shall rise with the sun god himself, stepping beyond the veil of sleep, beyond the small self, into the radiant furnace where your true will is forged. Let us begin. Your alarm has sounded. Do not rise yet. Lie still, present in the temple of your bed. Place one hand upon your heart, the receptive, feminine energy. The other upon your solar plexus, the throne of the masculine energy. Breathe deeply 3 times, the energy of Source. Inhale the first fire of dawn. Exhale the ashes of yesterday. Now speak, silently or aloud, the ancient invocation. Thank you, Source, for the breath of life, love, blessings, and opportunity. By the universal law, I affirm that all is one. I am an expression of the all, experiencing this life, vibrating in harmony with the cosmos, here to remember, grow, learn, create, and ascend. Grant me discipline to act, peace to endure, health to thrive, love to radiate, abundance to flow, protection to stand unshaken, healing to burn away all shadow. I align now with my highest self. So it is. Feel the polarity balance, the masculine and feminine energy, the power of creation in sacred union within you. Now sit up slowly, or rise to your feet. Shake your limbs gently. Let the overnight etheric dust fall away like shadows fleeing the dawn. Visualize a golden white fire descending from the heavens, the pure light of mental transmutation pouring through your crown like molten gold. It cascades through every chakra, burning away any fears, doubts, guilt, shame, grief, lies, illusions, attachments, and limitations. As it flows, declare, I cleanse body, mind, and spirit of all that does not serve my highest good. Ground into the earth like the tree of life, roots deep, drawing up unbreakable strength for discipline, health, and healing. Feel roots of light plunge from your feet into the core of the planet, pulling up ruby gold stability. Then reach for your glass of water, alchemy's first matter. Hold it to your heart and charge it with energy and intention. I infuse this water with vitality, abundance, and love. Drink it consciously. Present, feel liquid sunlight flood your cells. Now sit or stand tall, spine straight as the obelisk. Breathe in the calming 4-4-4 rhythm. Inhale 4 counts, drawing in pure positivity. Hold 4, letting it fuse with your essence. Exhale 4, releasing every block. Do that till you feel your body illuminating with sunlight, washing away all negative charges, becoming one with space. Begin the great visualization. your day as solar alchemy. See yourself as a radiant being, golden aura blazing outward, vibrating at the highest frequency. First, for discipline and goals, picture today's key victory, your training, your work, your creation, already accomplished with perfect focus. Feel the fiery will of the sun in your spine. Affirm, I am disciplined. My will is unbreakable. My actions align with my divine purpose. For peace and positivity, step into a serene inner temple of white marble and gold, where every storm dissolves into harmony. Affirm, I am peace. I polarize only toward the light. All negativity transmutes into fuel for my rise. For health and healing, send golden solar rays scanning your body, dissolving any shadow of disease. Affirm, my body is a temple of vitality. I heal instantly. I thrive in perfect rhythm. For love and relationships, see streams of golden rose light flowing from your heart to every soul you love, returning amplified 1,000-fold. Affirm, I give and receive love freely. All my relationships are healthy, balanced, abundant, and divine. For abundance and protection, behold a blazing shield of white gold around you, while rivers of golden coins and light pour effortlessly toward you. Affirm, abundance is my birthright. I am protected by the all from all harm seen and unseen. Hold this vision. Feel the vibration rise, a humming furnace in every cell. You are tuned, you are radiant, you are unstoppable. Now stand. Raise your arms in the ancient V of receptivity, palms open to the rising sun, even if unseen. Speak these solar affirmations with commanding voice. I am disciplined and goal-oriented. My success is inevitable. I embody peace and positivity, transmuting all into light. My health and healing are divine gifts. I am health from all sickness and emotional wounds. Love flows through all my relationships, in perfect balance and perfect flow. Abundance is my birthright. Prosperity flows to me effortlessly. I am protected, shielded. Now the final prayer to the Source. Great Source, the All, eternal light, God beyond name, infuse me with your primordial fire. Let me vibrate at my highest frequency today, attuned to my sovereign, radiant best self. As it is willed above, so it is manifest below. So it is. Lower your arms slowly. Take 3 deep breaths of victory. Smile. Let the sun smile through your face. Touch your third eye and declare, I am tuned, I am vibrant, I am ready. This day unfolds in perfection. Stretch. Move. Carry this solar charge into your training, your work, your creation of life. Give thanks, alchemist of the dawn. Thank the sun. Thank the all. Thank yourself for aligning with God frequency and your goals. If this ritual ignited your inner sun, like, subscribe, ring the bell for more meditations, rituals, and magic. Share in the comments what shifted for you this morning. Until the next dawn calls. I am Thoth. and I remain.